Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says the system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation. So I've got a fix for this and how you can fix this. Let's get started. First, open your start menu and then type regedit. Open registry editor and then click on view and click on address bar. After this, you'll notice that an address bar has appeared in front of you. You just have to type this whole code in the address bar. Make sure you type the exact same code in this. After that, you will be brought to this folder. Click on installer and here you'll find disable MSI. Just double click on it and it will open a dialog box. You have to set the value to 0 and click OK and then restart your PC, and hopefully this solves your problem. And if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.